Ah, sau ca cumva
E greșită, nu?
Nu, tu mai puteți explica aia. Nu cred că e ok.
Hey, what's up, guys? I've been investing in Etoro for a long time, and now the day has come in a box, my gift box, and let's see what things we get. Okay, so let's talk about Etoro for a little bit. So Etoro is a platform that allows you the ability to trade stocks, indexes, and crypto, and much more. Okay, so after a while, after you invest like a couple of thousands, you eventually get into the Etoro club. What's the Etoro club? So the Etoro club is like a membership that you get like benefits from Etoro from investing an amount of money, and each tier, let's say you get more and more benefits, and like gift boxes like this one, and we're gonna talk about this a little later. So let's talk about the tiers. So the first tier is 5,000. 5,000 you get this box, and we'll see. And the next one is gold, and that's 10,000. After that is platinum, 25,000, and the last one is diamond. I didn't reach that level, but hopefully, who knows? We'll see about that. Okay, let's see what the hype is about. The box.
NANI?!
I'm using a knife because I don't have a cutter, okay? It's okay. As long as it works, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be so beautiful, okay? Oh, cool. What we have here? Okay, so Smart Crypto Trading Made Easy. Okay, so like yeah, it says everything that you have here. It's like dedicated account manager, Etoro marketing newsletter, quarterly market analysis reports, Etoro swag box, I think this one. Okay, and so subscription services and much more. We'll see. Okay, so a nice flyer. Okay, we'll leave it here. Yeah, oh nice. It's like a pin, a nice pin. Look, right here. And like a nice Etoro pin right here. Okay, pretty cool. I'll see where I'm gonna use this one. And a sticker right here. Pretty decent material. And let's see if you can if it's a sticker. Just wanted to make sure. It's like a durable plastic. That's pretty cool. This is the sticker right here, guys. I'm gonna leave it right here. And a lot of paper here, okay. So this is the t-shirt. It's like a regular, emptying it a little bit, not a big problem. Okay, it's a regular t-shirt, decent material, stitching is pretty good. Let's see, canvas is from Canvas, if you guys know it. And it's really good, a really nice cotton here, like a really delicate fiber of cotton and stuff. It's gonna be like this. We're gonna leave this right here. And what else do we have here? This is a mug. Okay, gold, huh? I'm not at the gold here, but let's see. Okay, pretty nice mug. A regular mug. Plated, so I think I can't use it in the microwave. Yeah, it already says I can't use it in the microwave, but pretty decent. Nice Etoro mug, gold, because we like gold. And what else do we have here? Oh, another pin with Bitcoin. Pretty decent, good material, pretty nice. We'll see where we're gonna use that one. What else do we still have here? I still see something. It's like a bottle, a small bottle, a thermos, I think. Let's see. Nice. It has a nice feeling to it. It's pretty cool. We'll see where I'm gonna use this. I have a lot of bottles back home, but who knows? It's gonna be right here. And let's see what else do we have here. Another sticker again, a Bitcoin sticker again, guys. And let's see if I missed something. Okay, more stickers, same material. Another thing, Etoro again. Okay, what is this one? This is okay. Do not microwave. This is a for the market. That's not so important. Okay, I wasn't expecting many things, but I mean, as long as you get them for free, why not? You know. And yeah, guys, that was the unboxing for the Etoro gift box. Appreciate if you leave a like, a comment in the comment section about this kind of investments, and why not your personal opinion on the Etoro platform itself. I'll be putting a link in the description where you can create an Etoro account, and as a bonus you'll be getting $30 for your first $100 that you invest. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was all the goodies that I got from this little box here. Thank you Etoro once again for the little gift, and hope to see you soon in my next videos when I'm gonna talk about like stocks, my investments that I made, and the ways that I try to make money passively, or how I invest my money in an efficient way, of course, and why not like trying to be a more efficient guy in all domains and all things in life. And so see you soon. Peace.